Okay, I told y'all I'd paint these Edifier P12s. Today we're going to do a quick video. I've got the navy blue Krylon paint here. I already got 4 of the screws out, so I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the screws out from the tweeter. It is a smaller size Allen key, so just so y'all know, there's 2 sizes to this. Today's going to be kind of a quick video. I just wanted to get these painted so I can go ahead and get them on my desk. I'm very excited to have these on my desk. So I won't show everything here, just kind of the process. I do want to see what the crossover looks like in here. Let's see how well. Okay, look, they're soldered. That's kind of nice. Inconvenient for me. That's nice, actually. Wow, check that out. Holy chingao. Of course there is. That's what you get for buying stuff used on eBay. I'm sorry, used on Marketplace. I thought that was alive. You just saw me freak out there by a dead bug. Anyway, let's get that off the desk. Nice, beefy little driver here. I like that. It looks like I am going to have to desolder these. Not a huge deal. Crossover, simple crossover. I think y'all can see it in there. Nothing crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and desolder these, and I'll get these all taped up, and I'll get back with y'all when I'm done with that. Okay, so I've got it all taped up here. You see how I taped the veneer. I'm going to go ahead and paint the silver part here. See how it looks. I wonder how, it's kind of a lighter wood veneer anyway. We'll see how it looks with the darker paint. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this all sanded down, get it painted, and then I'll come back to y'all with the finished result of this. Then we'll put everything together. I'll paint this one for, next, and then we'll get everything put together. We'll give it a listen, and then I'll close the video out. Alright, so let's start off with the top. Give it just a light sanding. This always kind of feels wrong. Don't need much. Again, just enough to let the paint adhere better. We'll follow it up with some isopropyl alcohol and get it painted. I'll be back when I get it on the rack to paint. All right. Well, it's dark outside, but you know the drill. Keep it light, 12 to 16 inches away, and a little goes a long way. So let's start. Whew. All right, well, we'll see what that looks like. I'm gonna do the back too. Kind of got that taped up, but I'll be back with the second coat. All right, well, I ended up just finishing up the paint job. Hopefully, don't worry, my enthusiasm is not very high, to be honest. I think really and truly, maybe this paint was too glossy. I didn't realize how glossy it would be, especially painting at night. It is the next day, so seeing this in the broad daylight kind of makes it pop a lot more. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the paint. Let's just see what it looks like. I'm sorry, the tape, and let's go ahead and see what it looks like without the tape on here. So maybe it'll look a little bit better. Now, I didn't paint all of this because the speaker should cover that up. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I made a huge mistake. Maybe I didn't. Oh yeah, I can tell I'll need to touch up around the port, which is fine. Not a huge deal. I may just paint the port, to be honest. It's kind of hard to get around that port. So let's get all this tape off. See what it looks like. Maybe I'll kind of stick the drivers in there just to give it an idea of what it might look like. I'll go ahead and speed this part up. We'll go from there. Okay, that actually doesn't look half bad. Wow, I'm surprised. That looks better than I thought it was going to. Wow, I actually really like that. Take you off the mount here. Well, I kind of like that. Wow, I'm very surprised. You know, of course, it is just spray paint, so you can see some orange peel from it. Oh well. Well, I mean, honestly, I like it. I think it's growing on me. Well, I guess that's that. I mean, at the end of the day, that one's gonna look similar. I'll go ahead and get that one finished up. Give it a good, nice once over, and then we'll be back with both of them. We'll give them a listen, and we'll go from there. All right, here they are without the painter's tape on. I think they turned out pretty well. I love the color. I wish I had gone with a matte rather than a glossy. Hold on, let me turn this down a little bit. Wish I had gone with a matte instead of a glossy. Just because, unfortunately, like this one you can see right here, I accidentally got some painter's tape on the fresh paint. So it really shows, unfortunately. Other than that, the paint matches the wood really nicely. I am pairing it with this little Sonos amp. It makes them sound great. It is a little big for my desk, so I'll probably change that out. Other than that, like I've said in the previous video, these speakers are wonderful. They are perfect size for a desk. That is a 27-inch monitor, so not too big. And as far as the low end is concerned, y'all will not need a sub for these, especially if you're sitting at a desk. I think the low end on these are wonderful, and I wish that sound would come across better on video than it does. But if y'all have a chance to listen to these somewhere, try them out. For these little tiny drivers, A-okay in my book. Other than that, yeah, I don't have anything too bad to say. The modification went pretty smoothly, other than that little hiccup there. And with that, thanks for watching the video, guys. If y'all liked it, leave me a like. If y'all disliked it, leave me a comment. Let me know what I can change. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.